welcome to my channel. Welcome to Pretty Little Life. It's been long. I didn't shoot a video because of the issues I had. I was applying for my masters and I was busy with the exams and the colleges and all. So after a long time, I am like actually free right now because of the quarantine and all. Stay home, stay safe, guys. So since I'm staying home, I thought let's start something and do something for you all. So as we all have the main purpose of this video is for healthy hair. Everybody has issues with their hair, definitely, even I do, everybody does. So I've been searching for a few of the masks which would give me nice healthy hair. When I was googling and doing everything, searching and all, I came across one of the masks which is being used by a famous celebrity, Priyanka Chopra. So she was sharing her this mask recipe with the work people, and then I thought, why not, let's just try it out and share the result with you guys. If the people of the film industry are using this, we should definitely try it out, because in spite of having much money with them, still they use the simple home ingredients to make this mask and apply this, put this much effort is not just easy. So we should definitely try this out and see how it happens and all. So today I'm gonna make this hair mask and share my experience with you guys. Make this mask, they're like simple 4 ingredients, so I'm gonna share with you. So first, the thing is curd, the yogurt. I have taken the yogurt, and then yogurt has lactose, guys, so it is really good for your hair. It gives the moisturizing effect. Then you have eggs. Eggs are really good for protein. Definitely it's like really good ingredient. It gives you shine, it gives you the silky and black texture as well, and it also supplies protein to your hair, which is, you all know that protein is definitely required for your hair growth. So this supplies protein and gives you silkiness and smoothness to your hair. And then the other ingredient is honey. I'm using double honey. Then I'm gonna use a drop or 2-3 drops of almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, you can substitute it with coconut oil or any other hair oil you have. You can also use lemon if you have itchy scalp or dandruff in your hair. So definitely you can use lemon if you want, but do not use much lemon, because lemon has citric flavor and it gives your hair gray hair much soon. So please add a little bit of lemon if you want to add it. So let's get started. I've taken a big bowl in which I'm gonna mix all the ingredients. So let's start with egg. I just realized something. I did the whole mixing part and I did not record it. I was recording it and I didn't record it. So I can't do anything right now. I can't make the whole mixture again. But then I can actually dictate you the process. So first what I did was I took this huge green bowl and then I mixed 2 eggs with the yolk, and then I whisked it. I mixed it really well, and then I have make it a really good texture out of it. It gets like the yolk has to be completely mixed with the egg white. And then what I have done was I have kept the curd all in it, and then I have mixed it all again. I took 2 spoons of honey in it, and then I mixed it again with the hand, not with the hand, with the fork, using hand. And then I added like few drops of almond oil. So that is what all I have done. And I didn't mix everything at once and then whisk it. I actually did one after the other. I did mix it really well with the fork, and then it is what it looks like. It's like malai flavor thing. So please do not apply this mask in your bedroom or house. So please do apply this outside the house, like in balcony or in the bathroom if possible, because as it is liquid, it's just gonna drop on your floor, like lot of it, and you can't clean the whole room. So it's easy to either stay in the bathroom and apply it, or wherever it is possible for you. That is what I would definitely give you a suggestion. You can actually have a towel on yourself, so when you remove the towel it's a bit easy, because you can't apply this and then immediately go to the bath. You have to stay at least for 30 to 40 minutes. So I suppose extra care, you can have a towel over again, and then do not keep it for more than 30 to 40 minutes, my suggestion, because it's really tough to remove again the mask from your hair. So let's see, I can't apply this here right now, so I'm gonna go into my bathroom and then apply it, and then come back and show you how it looks after applying. I can't show you the application over here, but in my previous video I'll put the link in the description box, where I have applied a protein Himalaya protein mask. I've showed you how I apply, step by step process. You can check it out if you want. And then I'm gonna put the mask, and then if possible I'm gonna come back and show you if I'm less messy. If I'm like much messy, then I'm not gonna show you. I'm directly gonna come after the hair wash, and let's see. You can wash with mild shampoo. And what else? Yes, that's it. I think you can just apply mild shampoo. You don't have to apply the conditioner, as this definitely gives you conditioning to your hair. So I'll be back. So guys, I have tried the hair mask, the one which I've shown you till now. So now I'm gonna tell you what are the benefits and issues with the hair mask that I've tried. So first thing, please avoid the yolk in it. It smelled so bad. I had to wash my hair 5 times, and then the smell of the yolk got off my hair. So please avoid it. And then the other thing I want to tell you is the curd. So whatever the yogurt I have kept in it, it's better to avoid all the liquid in it. So what happens is, when you actually when you actually make the curd, there will be a little bit of water on the top of it, or when you remove it, there will be some water content in the curd. So I want you to remove the water part and just directly use the curd. Or if it's much better if you have brought the yogurt in the from the outside. The yogurt doesn't have any liquid in it. So if it is a homemade one, then you'll definitely have the liquid in it. So you can directly eliminate the water and just use the curd. Or else, if you want that to be as a thick paste, at least a bit more of a paste, then I'll insist you to take a cotton towel or something like that, and then put the curd in it, and then just roll it so that the water comes outside and the curd part remains in the towel itself. So then you can use it. That is one more method. It's fine if you just use the normal curd as well. It doesn't make a huge difference, but there is definitely a difference. Yeah. And whenever I had to stay for half an hour outside my house in the balcony, because it was all coming over my neck and all. So before you put the mask, please be prepared that the mask is gonna come out of your hair and go all through your neck and all. So please carry a hand towel or something like that, or else if you're comfortable, stay in your washroom itself for the half an hour, or else you can stay in the balcony or wherever you feel comfortable, but don't mess the floor. It's definitely gonna fall out of your hair and come onto the floor. So please avoid it as well. But so now comes the benefits of the mask. Since we added egg, so basically egg gives you smoothness. Even if you put the only egg, I feel it was giving the same result. And this has been like 5 days that I've applied the mask. I don't feel much difference, but definitely it was shining, and then it became a bit, the split ends was there. I feel a few split ends were taken off, like it's gone. I don't find as many split ends was there before. So, and the hair became smooth and shiny as well. So these are the benefits of the mask. If you are ready to take the risk that even if it smells bad, it's fine for you. Definitely nothing comes easy. So you can try it. Definitely it's giving you the results, but there are some cons with it as well. So keep them in mind. Be prepared and definitely try this. This is the honest review I can give you. So this is what happened with me. So this is what I'm telling you, because I don't want you to face the same issue as I did. So please avoid the things that I have done, and then I think you're good to go with the mask. Thank you. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please share it as many as you can, and please like it. Thank you.